No! No, no! Get out of here! Go! Dude, what are you doing out here? Nothing. Just out for a walk. Helps my pubescent mood swings.
Is that Baymax?
Yeah, but you really...
Why is he wearing carbon fiber underpants?
I also know karate.
You guys need to go.
No, don't push us away, Hiro. We're here for you. That's why Baymax contacted us.
Those who suffer a loss require support from friends and loved ones.
Okay, but
Who would like to share their feelings first?
Ooh, I'll go. Okay. My name is Fred, and it has been 30 days since my last holy mother of Megazon! Am I the only one seeing this?
Go! Oh, Baymax! Get him! No! What are you doing?
I'm saving your life.
Baymax can handle that guy!
Oh no.
Wasabi!
Oh, goodbye!
The energy, and I got the keys, keep speed. Make it hard, stay at the bar, move the unit, we gon' do it, take it far. Crowd, show, keep it wrong.
Temperatures are low.
We should get out of here.